Culinary creativity with the OXO Hand-Held Spiralizer, a kitchen item essential designed for ease and precision. Crafting healthy meals has never been simpler. The OXO Spiralizer's ergonomic design and razor-sharp blade make it a joy to use. Watch as fruits and vegetables transform into uniform, curly noodles, thanks to the razor-sharp blade. Dive into a world of possibilities with 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades: spaghetti cut, fettuccine cut, and ribbon cut. No more guessing. Color-coded blades ensure quick identification, making it easy to pick the perfect spiral for your culinary creations. Safety is a priority. The food holder cap not only protects your hands but also doubles as a secure storage solution. Spiralize with confidence. The non-slip grip ensures comfort and control, allowing you to spiralize with precision every time. Versatility at its best. The open design accommodates both long and round vegetables, opening up a world of culinary possibilities. Elevate your cooking experience with the OXO Hand-Held Spiralizer. Discover the joy of healthy eating without compromising on flavor.